Welcome to Hydraulic Press channel.
Hi,
I'm Lauri.
I'm Hanna.
And this is Microplastic Maxing Challenge.
Our goal is to beat the most plastic persons in the world.
That's really like high goal to achieve. There's a lot of competition on that. But we are going to do also something else today because I bought these. What these are polarizing filters. How they work is really complicated, so I'm not going to tell you. It's going to take 15 minutes. But I can show what we are going to do with these and what we are going to achieve with all this science stuff. So we are going to have light, then we are going to have one of these filter things, then we are going to have second one that is turned 90 degrees between the plastic and the camera. And what that makes happen is the fact that we can see the stress on the plastic, as you can see.
Yeah.
And it's really stressful to get crushed by hydraulic press.
Yeah.
So we are going to see what we are doing in real life, like instantly. Okay, now I have tried myself, so I have permission to use computer to explain this better. So there's a light source. Then first filter lets only vertical light in. Then we have sample part that messes up the light. And then we have second filter that lets only horizontal light through. So the result is that we see only the messed up light on the camera. That's the theory. I'm not sure how the filters work. If you put these 90 degrees to each other, they still let slight amount light through. So it's not complete like this, but something like this. And now let's crush. Yeah, amazing. And we are going to use big press, small press, normal camera, high speed camera. So really exciting. I think we're going to learn something. We are going to see a lot of things that me and Hanna don't understand. But our highest trust is on the comment box.
Yeah.
I think there are experts that know what the hell is going on and why the lines are going like they are going. So let's go. I think we saw something there. Let's have a look.
Did it change any color?
I think it changed. Yeah.
It was just...
It's also really fast.
Yeah.
I think the most interesting things happen on the last 50 milliseconds.
Yeah, before crack.
So we need a bit more frame rate also. So we're going to ditch the Sony. We're going to use Kronos high-speed cameras and go to bunker. Okay, we have the same cup now under the Kronos high speed. I think we are a bit far away, but next items are going to be bigger. So this is good setup. And we are running about 3000 frames per second. So we should see more. Okay, let's see. I think the item is a bit small. Yes, there is some stresses. I think it's like too thin and small. We are going to put something thicker in. Science is surprisingly hard. Difficult setups, like all kinds of trouble. Look!
Wow!
That's good.
Yeah,
that's good.
Yeah.
Took quite the setup.
Yeah, it
There is like this and diamonds and shit and everything.
Yeah, sheet paper and...
But now we're going to crush the cup. I'm going to risk it all and be here. You can trigger the high speed. Otto, kill the extra light.
Whoa.
Okay, now is time to look at our science that we achieved here.
Moment of the science.
Moment of the
truth.
science. Yeah, you can see.
Yeah.
It doesn't take much.
No, it's not. It's not that much stress if you are a small plastic cup.
Yeah. Let's try with the thicker piece. Yeah. I'm really pleased on the footage. It looks like actual science stuff. Now we are going to go outside and we could use the trigger on the high-speed camera, but let's use the method after the loud sound everybody's going to run in and try to kill the camera.
The first one is the winner.
We have 8 seconds.
That's plenty.
get here. I think that's plenty. That's plenty. Okay, you don't see now anything because it's transparent, but it's focused in a way that on the front and back of the plastic part, items are sharp. So the stress inside of the thick plastic should be also sharp. You can crush it. I run in when it goes. Something ain't right. Lift it up. Oh, it didn't go.
No,
Holy shit.
we need more power.
It's going to be loud as hell when it goes, I think.
Yeah. And it's not my fault if camera goes broken.
But it's like, it's Kronos 1.4, so it's the oldest model. It's like stunt high speed. Okay, okay. Now we are going to look. Oh, there's a lot of going on.
Yeah, wow.
A lot of going on.
Yeah.
Really, really interesting. Interesting to see what there's like points
Yeah.
up there.
Is it because the tool is like...
I think it's because of it was used with a bit the band saw.
Yeah.
The
yeah,
surface
yeah,
ain't
yeah,
smooth.
True, yeah, surface ain't smooth.
Really interesting to see what happens when it explodes. The cracks are bending the light. It's not coming anymore for the camera. Okay. That's really weird. Yeah, when it got cracked, you don't see anymore so clearly. But it was surprisingly strong.
Yeah.
Okay, now we are going to place it between two items, so we're going to bend it, not crush it.
Yeah.
Let's not use big ass nuts, let's use dies, because we happen to have CNC machined dies from multiple metal alloys and raw metals like elemental metals, and some of these should be hard enough. This is tungsten. This is good dies. Tungsten is my favorite dies. And if you wonder what the hell are these dies, these are our museum dies collection. It's our own project. Idea is to have CNC machined dies as a collectible set, so you can compare different elements and have something cool and totally unnecessary. For example, these are great. This is like magnesium, there's tungsten, and you can play with these, but they are awful as an like playing dice, especially the tungsten. We wanted to make these look cool as hell, so they have sharp corners, and you can guess what happens when you
do that to
your table with the tungsten dice. It's not going to like it.
No.
But we are going to like it under the plastic part. And if you want to check this out, go into video description. There is link to our web shop. And this is best way to support the channel and the stupid activities that we do here. Let's crush. Okay, new setup is ready. The dies are going to support it from the both ends, and we are going to crush on the middle. Actually, let's put one dice more. I want more like point load.
The point load bending.
Yeah, black zirconium. It's not the hardest material ever, but I think it's going to survive. Okay, same deal. I'm going to listen and run in.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, then it goes. Okay. It didn't do shit. It just popped away.
Okay, but we can see the stresses still.
Did it even broke or did it just...
Hey, there is a lot of going on. Come have a look.
Okay, I'll see.
This is much more interesting this time.
Okay, wow. Definitely, yeah. Wow, it makes a triangle.
You can see like
Yeah,
supports are here and on the middle.
Wow. Super nice.
It broke in two.
That's really cinematic dice ad.
And have a look, like frame by frame. When it breaks,
The light gets...
all the stresses go away. So if you wanna relieve some stress, snap in half.
Yeah, just crack.
Just give up. Now the like pieces have gone under some stress here, and now is our time to get some stressful experiences. Let's throw the big ass block in. This is terrifying.
That's so beautiful.
I think for this we have to get the high speed out. No niin, saatana. That's Finnish and means that we are ready here. And I assume that this is going to be hard bite for press to chew. So here it goes.
Wow.
That was surprisingly fast. Usually you have to like do multiple thrusts, but now it went off for the first. Yeah, this is the microplastic maxing challenge. Let's see how we microplastic this. There is a small shrapnel wound on the light. Switched off. Does it still work?
I think it works.
Yeah, everything
Yeah,
works.
that broke.
It went through. Yeah. Let's go have a look on the camera. I think you can see it better on the video because we can play it down like 1/4 of the speed. Yeah, there is definitely some cool frames there. Yeah. What we learned, Hanna? Did we achieve anything else than microplastic maxing challenge?
We saw some really nice colors.
Yeah, like psychedelic colors and patterns.
Yeah.
And I leave science to you guys in the comment box. But if you are still needing more stress and stress science, I have about 10 times more science video on Beyond the Press channel. We are measuring stress inside of heat-treated metal parts with X-rays. So that's over here. Go watch it out. And that is all for today.
Thank you for watching.
And have a nice day.